birthday, Leah. I wish you a happy year and good health. Stay pretty and kind. And the best sister to Mimi and daughter to Mina Well and Mom Jeff. Enjoy your birthday. I miss you and come back to the Philippines soon. Goodbye. Love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, my Princess Leah. Enjoy your day, pretty. Are you excited sa iyong party? Enjoy the celebration that Mommy and Daddy prepare for you. Enjoy the food. Enjoy the games. Enjoy the dance. Dance with Mimi. Dance with Mommy and Daddy. And dance with your friends too, okay? Leah, take a picture and send it to Lola Inay so that I can see you're enjoying the party, okay? Stay healthy, Leah. Stay pretty. Keep smiling. Always pray to the Lord. Always talk to Jesus. Enjoy every day of your life, because God made each day special for you. And I praise the Lord because you are fearfully and wonderfully made by Him. I love you, Leah. Happy birthday again. God bless you. God bless Mimi. Mimi, happy birthday also. Love you. God bless Mommy and Daddy.
Happy birthday, Leah!
Happy birthday, Leah. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Leah!
Sabi pa.
I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Leah! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Leah! We wish you all the best and continue to be a good girl. And we are so proud of you. We love you. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday.
Sing!
Sing.
Sing!
Happy birthday.
Sing, Zoe!
Happy birthday, Leah. God bless.
Hi Leah, happy 7th birthday. Wish you all the best and stay kind and lovely. Okay? Wish you guys. Bye-bye.
Sana ma-enjoy mo tong birthday celebration mo and lumaki kang mabuting bata. Always love Mommy and Daddy, always pray, and always love Mimi. Happy birthday! We love you, we miss you.
Happy birthday, Leah! Happy 7th birthday, Leah! Sana lumaki ka pa na mas matalino, mabait, at laging susunod sa mommy at daddy, and always be the sweet ate to baby Mimi. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. See you when you get home. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Leah. Happy birthday, Leah. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Leah. Happy birthday, Leah. I miss you so much, and I hope that you have new friends in your new school. And I'm glad that you are safe everywhere. I hope to see you again so we can play.
So you can play like how you played before?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Leah! God bless you! Happy birthday! Yes, Mimi, how are you?
Hi, Leah. Happy birthday. Hello, Leah. Namimiss ka na namin dito sa bahay. Ang pagbukas mo lalo-lalo ng pinto. Talagang namimiss. At saka yung mga
story mo, 'di ba? At natatandaan mo 'yon. Kaya Leah, patuloy na magpakamabait ka, masunurin sa nanay mo at saka sa daddy mo. Kaya kailangan sa pag-aaral mo kung ano ang na-achieve mo rito nung kinder ka pa, sana patuloy na maging matalino ka at lagi ka mag-serve din sa Lord, dahil alam ko may mga children ministry dyan, kaya I love you, Leah. God bless you.
Hi, Leah. Happy birthday! And maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. You have a happiness and enjoy your birthday today. We love you. We miss you.
Hi, Leah. Happy birthday. God bless you, Leah. I miss you. And Mimi, I miss you, Mimi.
Happy birthday!
Leah.